Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Irfan and you are watching Police Force Pro YouTube channel. This is Everyday Science lecture number 2 most repeated Everyday Science MCQs सबसे ज़्यादा पूछे जाने वाले Everyday Science के सवालात. Ozone layers above Earth's atmospheres 15 to 40 kilometers. The ozone layer lies approximately 15 to 40 km 10 to 25 miles above the Earth's surface in the stratosphere. What type of acid is used in car batteries? Sulfuric acid. The speed of light is vacuum, about 300 million km per second. Who invented telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Sound waves travel faster in a medium, denser. Which of the following is the lightest metal? Lithium. Thermodynamics is a branch of physics dealing with relationship between heat and other type of energy. Planet Mercury completes one rotation around the sun in how many days? 88 days. Mercury revolves around the sun every 88 days, but its rotation takes nearly 59 days. Chromosomes are found in nucleus. The number of chromosomes in human cell is 46. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Police Force Pro YouTube channel.